Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a 90-second Instagram reel. So Instagram has just released this feature where you can now upload up to 90 seconds. It's pretty cool in case you're trying to create longer videos on Instagram Reel. So first of all, if you're on Android, you want to go ahead and open up the Play Store. If you're on iPhone, you want to go to the Apple App Store, search up Instagram in the App Store, and then make sure you're running the latest update. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and open up Instagram and you should be on the latest update. Now all you need to do, you'll be on the home page when you first land on, but then you want to go ahead and click on the Reels icon at the bottom in the center to create your Instagram Reel. Then you can just tap this button right here at the top right to create your Instagram Reel. Okay, so once you're on the Instagram Reels creator page, you can see here the option here that says length. You can see it defaults to a 15-second reel. All you need to do is tap on that button and then a menu will pop up and you can see 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and then the new option of 90 seconds. So I'll tap on 90 seconds and now I have the ability to create a 90-second Instagram reel. So I can just hold down the record button and then create my Instagram reel just how I would like it. And then once you have successfully created your Instagram reel, just simply press the stop button and then just go through the editing process, click on preview, and then you can add your music, your stickers, your text, and edit it just the way you would like it, and having the ability to have this at 90 seconds. So like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, make sure you just update your Instagram app to the latest version to be able to get this feature. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.